So as you guys seen, there was a truck sitting down there. Oop, there we go, right about there. And if you remember correctly, my truck has got some issues. Might have been a while since you've seen that video, since released that video, but it's still got the glass missing and this is all beat up. So
did your tint number on that?
The window tint? Yeah. So what's happening is we actually have something that's going to help me out for a bit, because when I take my truck down, I'm going to be without a truck. So this is going to keep me from being without a truck.
No, not this. Right there. We're actually putting the hitch onto it. This is actually in the way. The project today is right there.
Do you wish? Oh no, you're talking about the...
Yeah. See, right there. See? So what it is we're gonna get the hitch in shape, so that way he can still haul with it.
So I can pull a trailer with that right there.
Yeah.
So anyway, this right here is the project for today. I don't know how many years this bench has been ran, but I think it's been something like 7, something like that.
It's been at least a couple months since the cat's been onto it.
Get your smiley face on there, Kagan. Kagan's artistic ability. So anyways, we're going to change oil in it because the oil looks pretty nasty. We'll go through that. And after we change oil, pretty much just going to throw a battery in and see if it'll run. And if I can get it running here, then we'll see about getting it to the garage, and then we're going to go through this thing. So probably new brakes, all kinds of other stuff, but we'll get into that.
I mean, with enough ether, you can get anything running.
Maybe.
That right there, in case you don't know, that is the magic donut.
The magic donut.
What creates all the horsepower.
That one, probably a good thing I got a brand new one of these. That one, I think that's mold. Yeah, that is. That is mold.
Lick it and find out.
No. It's like a fine cheese. Look at that.
Oui, oui. It is the French that has the... I don't know. I'm not a...
Focus down here then. Yeah, that's a rusty dipstick.
You said it, not me.
The oil looks like it could be a little bit better shape. We'll change oil before we try to start it, just in case. I want to try and see if we got water and stuff in it. I don't want to do that. So, I guess now I'll get a jack out of the shop there. And
I think the last oil change was
20 years ago.
I'm pretty sure he pulled it into a Texaco and had them do a full service on that.
Back when they used to do that? Yeah. So we'll get the jack and get it up on jack stands, and then we're going to drain the oil and see what the oil pan looks like.
More than likely, I'm probably going to end up bathed in oil, because I think I'm going to be the one going underneath it.
Got it, Kagan.
I figured out how plastic's made.
How's that?
They let the oil sit there a while.
Is it not coming out?
Oh no, it's coming out.
Let me get in here right, see. Kind of stringy, isn't it?
Very stringy.
We'll get a good look at that here in a second once we get it pulled out of there. See what it looks like. We'll run a magnet through it, maybe.
Oh, I don't think there's any metal in there. I just
think it's
yeah, it's plastic. I think it started to try to reform into the dinosaur.
Jurassic truck.
Is their theme music copyrighted? If not, I've got an idea.
Okay, where was I at? Oh yeah, I know where I was.
That's what you like.
Hey, everybody get out from in front of the truck, because I'm going to see if the motor will turn over before we go get gas.
Okay. Over here, Corbin.
Kagan?
Yep.
Come here.
You hit my disconnect?
Over here. Come here. You're right here, baby. Just sit on your seat right there. Okay? Sit on your seat. So Daddy knows where we're going. No. This thing's so hot. And it always
I'm
was.
talking about the gas is
Did it?
8 years old.
Yeah, good. I'm gonna go get my iPad and plug it. Okay. Uh-oh. Where's that come from? Okay.
It's just
You don't smell that? That don't still gas.
Come here, Corbin. I didn't.
Smoke it.
Come here. I'm putting this up somewhere. Honey, sit right there. Where should I put this? Sit right there on your seat. Listen. I want to know where.
Take it. I'm gonna check your oil one more time before we do that again.
Honey, right there. Just sit right there on your seat.
This is bad.
Okay. Follow me. Right there's good. So, come here. It's 258,949 miles. Okay? Mm-hmm. And so before we went to go get gas, I thought, I want to see if it'll turn over. So I'm like, if it won't even turn over, we got problems. I don't want to go buy gas if that's, you know, right? So, watch this. That's the gas that was in the tank. I mean, obviously it's not running great and it smells like stale gas out the exhaust, but it's running off the gas that was in the tank. I think we've got a winner.
I think so too. But you know what they say? It's hard to beat a 350.
Apparently they'll run on anything.
They will.
So here's the deal.
I won the foot race with the 8-year-old.
Yeah, good for him. While I was working.
It was work. He's like
So,
sprighter than what he.
I said we sat here and let it run for a while, and I went to pedal it, and it fell on its face and died, and it does not want to run anymore. We've got the tires all aired up. It was plumb dry of brake fluid, and we put new brake fluid in it. And it doesn't seem to be leaking brake fluid from any place. So I think maybe somebody changed the caliper that was sticking the last time this thing was parked, and they never put brake fluid back in it. So we'll see how that goes. I got new wipers for it because these are garbage. But we're going to have to...
And yes, we do realize the flaw in this. The old gas, the old fuel filter, we know.
Yeah,
So,
we're going to go get some new gas to throw in it.
and seafoam.
And seafoam. And when we get back, we're going to try and drive it.
And if you work at Seafoam and you're watching this video, you know, we
like it.
Yeah, we like the product, and you can send us as much as you want.
Or sponsor, you know, banner in the back shop. Anyways, yeah, we're going to go get some fresh gas and we'll go from there.
Probably, maybe, new fuel filter too, just to be on the safe side. But
No, we won't.
it's like $5.
Yeah, but I'm not changing here. We might do that later.
All right, fresh gas, Seafoam. See if it works.
Okay.
Well, guys, every part of a journey has to start somewhere. Ours starts with swapping out these. This is the reason why we didn't get.
Sit there and idle just fine, but it'd drop it in gear and it just die and wouldn't want to start back up.
So we got good gas into it,
Well, kind of.
ish, and putting better plugs into it, thanks to my $10 toolbox and someone's criticism. But we'll get them changed, and hopefully we'll get on the road. So we'll share more as it happens.
This ratchet's worse than the one that you don't like at the garage.
Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah, I'm sure that's working real good. We'll get some decent ones in there. I never did like those anyways.
Alright.
Guys, even after we broke a bolt off in the distributor cap and the new one, we just
show them.
Yeah, we just show them. Oh, yeah. So if you'll see, there's a nice little white wire right back in there. The distributor cap, the old one we took off, it broke the bolt off the mounting plate there. So we just tied this side down, and it'll run and idle for a few minutes, but we're missing and some other problems are going on, and we just really didn't have a whole lot of time today anyways when we started, and some other things we had to do in the meantime. And yeah,
So we still think that
I think it's coil and distributor still related, because it wants to hit, but then it gets weak after it's been idle for a while, and I think the coil needs replaced.
which is a sure sign usually that the coil's bad, is whenever it hits, but once it runs and it heats up, it's because of the wiring inside of it, and there's a lot of technical mumbo jumbo, but pretty much what it amounts to
Bad
is
coil.
Yeah.
So for another day, we are as you can see with the shadow, the evening's getting late, and we've decided that it's time for beer and tacos. So yeah, we're gonna call this one a day.
In my defense, I was not the one that suggested beer and tacos first.
Right, but you went right along with it.
Yeah, but I didn't suggest it first.
Okay. So yeah, we'll get some other parts and figure out, we'll get this thing back going again, and get it over to the garage so we can give it a proper tune up where I've got all the correct toolage. So, and who knows, maybe there's more to the story after this thing once we get it running decent. So Kagan?
Well, let's see. I really don't have anything interesting.
If your ignition's not working right, no amount of starting fluid will make it hit.
Well,
You don't agree with that statement?
if the light's not coming on, no amount of money that you throw at it is going to fix the problem.
Hey, wait. The most important thing on the entire truck. Oh, and it don't work. Let's fix that. Yep. I thought for sure I was going to be able to turn that little light on. But anyways, might be a bad bulb. Alright guys, see yous on this one. Next time, hopefully we'll have some better luck with this and we'll actually drive it.
And I'll think of some actual good sayings for the end of next time.
See yous later.
Bye, guys.